Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is my Casablanca Commodore Vanderbilt ceiling fan. I have a light kit on it now, and as you can see, it looks a lot like the Disney Commodore Vanderbilts. They are sadly no longer there anymore. They got replaced in 2023 by some newer Minka Air things, but these are obviously a lot better than the newer Minka Air fans. So now here's it. There's the design of the shade, if you want to see that. Lights off now. We'll give a better effect. It's kind of dark. Yeah, it's probably the best. Got the ceiling fan from JJ the Fan Man in trade of my Verde Casablanca's, not Zephyr, Artisan. It was the last year before they switched over to K55. I think that was the first year Artisan too. It was a 96. Anyways, here's the light, which you guys already saw. Light kit came from Dominic Tassari. The K1 did. The shade I got off of eBay. Was able to find one. Thank God, because I wanted to make it look like the Disney Commodores. Here's low. That looks really good in my room. I might move it to the downstairs bedroom where the Savoy House Carolina is. Maybe. Still thinking about it. I just really like how this fan looks in this room. Wish it was a 90s one, because this is the last year. This is a 2004 model. As you can see, it has that newer tag. Still overall, very nice fan. Here's medium. And here's high. Oh, it's the light. It's so annoying. For some reason on high it does this, makes the blades like make that noise, but I don't know why, because, well, I don't know, it's because like the brackets in there, like they move around, they're not tight, I don't know why. And then one of the blades is missing an iron screw. I gotta get an iron screw for it. I don't know why, it looks like it wobbles more since I put the light kit on. It's a very fast powered fan. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.